Windows 10 or 11 can sometimes feel laggy or slow because of background processes, updates, driver, or system settings. To fix Windows lagging and slow issues, you can apply some methods shown in this video. Now let's start. At the first method, you can check storage space. You have to keep at least 20% free space on your C drive. Also, you can disconnect all the unnecessary USB devices because they can slow your boot. Also, you can restart your PC. Sometimes the updates or background tasks are stuck. Now you can check. In the second method, you can disable startup programs. For that, go to Task Manager and here you can see Startup Apps. Now you can scroll down and see which one you want to disable. Simply right click on it and you can enable or disable from here. You can do yourself. In the third method, you can adjust performance settings. For that, press Windows and R key together, then type sysdm.cpl. Press Enter key. From here, click on Advanced, then click on Settings. And here you can choose Adjust for best performance. Select it, then click on Apply and OK. In the fourth method, you can disable background apps. For that, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. In the three dot icon, go to Advanced Options, and here in the background apps permissions, you can select the Never option. You can do this for the apps where this option is available. Okay, now in the fifth method, you can optimize your storage. For that, press Windows and R key together, then type clean mgr. Press Enter, and here you can select the C drive or other drive where your Windows was installed. Then click on OK. And from here, you can choose the option and simply click here Clean up system files. And then press OK. Also, you can follow the further instruction as I have already cleaned up my C drive by this way. Also, you can enable storage sense. For that, go to Settings. Here click on the System, Storage, and turn on this option, Storage Sense, and it will automatically free up space, delete temporary files and others. Also, it will boost up your PC performance. In the next method, you can check for malware or viruses. For that, go to Windows Security. In the virus and threat protection, you can quick scan your PC. If any malware or viruses are remaining in your PC, it will detect them and fix the issues. In the next method, you can disable visual effects and transparency. For that, go to Settings, Accessibility. Here in the visual effects, you can turn off this transparency effects and animation effects. Okay, in the next method, you can optimize power settings. To optimize the power setting, you can press Windows and R key together, then type powercfg.cpl. Press Enter, and now you can choose higher performance or ultimate performance, and it will boost up your PC performance. Okay, now in the next method, you can check disk health and system files. For that, open CMD with run as administrator. Now type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This method may take some time, so try patiently. Okay, again type dism/online/clean up image/restore health. Now press Enter key. Okay, again type cskdsk/c:/f/r and press Enter. If you see this message, simply type Y and press Enter and restart your PC. After applying this method, your disk health and system files will be fixed. In the next method, you can update your Windows and drivers. For that, go to Settings. Here in the Windows Update, you can check for updates and download and install all the updates. Also, you can update your graphics driver. I have given the links in the description box. Kindly check it out. After completing the updating, you can restart your PC and see. In the last method, if your PC is still slow, then you can upgrade your hardware. In case of RAM, if you are using 8GB RAM, then I will suggest you to add extra 8GB because 16GB is recommended for all the PC. Also, if you are using HDD, then I will suggest you upgrade it to SSD because it will boost up your PC speed. Also, you can update your GPU if you are a game lover because gaming lag is the main issue for this PC. By applying the above methods, hope your PC performance will boost up 200%. If you face further any issues, kindly comment below and I'll try to help you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates.